You're listening to the show on KJZZ, and these are the sounds of the city.
Those are all salt?
My name is Saray Hood, and I assist with doing the theshow. So that's produce on wheels. All right, $12. Let's see here.
So you get one honeydew?
So right now we're offering $12 for 70 pounds of food.
And then we got 2 watermelon. Good morning.
We have watermelon, honeydew. We have chilies.
Runaway cucumber.
We have green beans, jalapenos, mangoes. We have this time.
Thank you.
It's a great way to reduce waste of food.
You get a watermelon.
That's Saray Hood distributing fruits and vegetables with produce on wheels in Mesa. If you have ideas about what makes Phoenix Phoenix, or you think the show is the apple of your eye, send us a note. We are at theshow@kjzz.org.